The Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution (Caf&Pd) department has clarified that all National Food Security Act (Nfsa) beneficiaries in Manipur will continue to receive free rice irrespective of whether they have completed eKYC, while assuring that sufficient stock of essential petroleum products are available in the state despite the proposed cease-work strike by oil tanker drivers. Responding to questions raised by SKTV News during the 8th edition of the Meet the Press program organized by the Directorate of Information and Public Relations (DIPR), Caf&Pd Director Y. Nelson said only around 58% of the Nfsa beneficiaries in Manipur have completed the mandatory eKYC process. He said the center has relaxed the eKYC deadline for Manipur in view of the prevailing situation in the state, especially in the hill districts where the completion rate remains very low. When asked whether beneficiaries who have not completed eKYC would continue to receive rice, the director clarified that the department is distributing rice to all eligible Nfsa beneficiaries, including those who have not completed the verification process. He also informed that beneficiaries can complete eKYC themselves using their mobile phones. On concerns over fuel availability following the proposed strike by oil tanker drivers, Nelson said the state has 37 days stock of superior kerosene oil (SKO), 17 days of aviation turbine fuel (ATF), 9 days of petrol, 25 days of diesel, and 8 days of LPG. He added that the department will hold discussions with the tanker drivers to ensure uninterrupted supply of petroleum products. Replying to another query from SKTV News regarding the government's earlier announcement on replacing centrally supplied Nfsa rice with locally milled rice, the director said the 4 metric ton per hour rice mill being set up under the SASCI project has reached almost 100% completion. The department will initiate decentralized paddy procurement and distribution of locally milled rice once the project becomes operational. Highlighting the department's overall performance, Nelson said around 21.13 lakh beneficiaries are currently covered under the National Food Security Act through 5.81 lakh ration cards under the Antyodaya Anna Yojana (AAY) and Priority Household (PHH) categories. He said all 2,532 fair price shops in the state have been equipped with electronic point of sale (EPOS) devices, while Aadhaar seeding of ration cards has reached 99.7%. He further said the department continues to monitor the prices of 18 essential commodities, regulate the supply of petroleum products, LPG and kerosene, and take action against hoarding, adulteration, and black marketing. Consumer awareness programs and legal metrology reforms are also being implemented to strengthen consumer protection and improve public service delivery across the state.
Aduka supply chain management ko computerization haitare anna chakra haitare ko si makhasida akogi supply chain je manage tongna bu story aduka route optimization haitare ko akogi anna chakra app se da toroga akogi world food program makha da toroga akogi most efficient and most effective transportation routes se si jo koin hodona ba tori aduka vehicle location tracking system BLTSI je si jo akogi GPS toba based tracking of vehicles ko akogi FCI digi state warehouse da APS da transport wigi keno tracking tongnoba adugi su ama kanna India government makada ko si tawri haitare real time monitoring tongnoba koi vehicle movement se aduga koi adherence to designated routes and prevention of diversion of food grains si tawri haitare aduga koi gi achievements haragadi 100 automation of all koi fair price shops in Manipur da 2532 APS shops lay aduga si auto 100% automate tawre aduga other seeding state 99.70% ni